Picture in picture. Here's how you can do two things at the same time. Here's my little problem this morning. I'm trying to keep an eye on an outside cam, but I also want to help some folks on the Avast support forum. How do I do both? Simple. If you're using a Chromium-based browser, and it doesn't matter. Right now, I happen to have the Avast Secure browser open, but this will work on almost any Chromium-based browser, which means Chrome, Edge, any of the others that you can think of. Go back to the actual cam itself, do a right click on the picture, and select Picture in Picture. Now you'll notice this went dark, and right here is the actual picture in picture. Now I can go back to the Avast support forum and look. I'm still watching my cam, but I can now go ahead and start answering some of the questions and some of the problems that someone's posted on the support forum. One way to do two things at the same time. After all, time is precious. Multitasking is one way to solve a time dilemma. And as you get older, you got less time, so you might as well put whatever you can to use in your favor. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. By the way, you can always go back to the tab directly from here. Just select it, and now you're back to the tab. Of course, at that point, I don't have the picture here anymore, but right-click, picture in picture. Now I can go back here, and it's back on that other website. Bye-bye.